Manifest what you want as soon as tomorrow. And I mean it. This is very powerful using this Neville Goddard SATS method. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers, thank you for subscribing. And remember to click the bell icon because it helps with the algorithm. And we can reach more people with the empowering message of the law of attraction. High flyers, I want to share with you something very special today. It's the SATS method, how it works, why it works, and how you can use it to manifest the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health and happiness you depend on as early as tomorrow. Now, high flyers, Neville Goddard coined the phrase SATS, and it means state akin to sleep. SATS. We're just going to call it SATS, but it's this state that we like to call twilight, when you're just going into sleep or when you're coming out of sleep in the morning. Everybody goes through SATS at least twice a day. Neville coined this phrase, and he found in his own journey that he could manifest in as quick as 24 hours, that it just seemed to cut through all the BS in manifesting, and it made it so much easier to get what you want through the law of assumption. I would say that this is probably one of the most successful techniques taught by Neville Goddard. Now, his average time to manifest was about 3 to 7 days. When he had a desire, it took him about 3 to 7 days. But he also notes that he manifested some things in 24 hours. And I know that I've been using a variation of this method for probably over 20 years, and I have manifested as quickly as 24 hours. By the way, that's manifesting things that I thought were impossible to manifest. When I think of the SATS method taught by Neville Goddard, I think of insane manifesting. I mean, manifesting just happening so fast, so quickly that it almost seems unbelievable. Now, Neville understood that when you're in alpha or theta brainwaves, you can implant in your subconscious mind the seed of belief. Think about it, high flyers. What sabotages you from manifesting what you desire? Oftentimes, it's your belief. I've given people affirmations, present tense affirmations, and I've said, use this present tense affirmation. But Robert, I don't believe it. I'm not wealthy. I'm poor. So why should I say I'm wealthy? They don't get it. And more importantly, they don't believe it. Using this method taught by Neville, you'll begin to believe it. And when you believe it, you achieve it. Manifesting in theta brainwaves makes it so much easier and faster for you to manifest what you desire in as short a period of time as 24 hours. And I'm talking about large sums of money. I'm talking about a specific person. I'm talking about a phone call or a text from somebody who's been ghosting you. I'm talking about opportunities. I'm talking about greater success in your life. You see, high flyers, when you believe it, when you manifest, when you plant the seed in theta brainwaves into your subconscious mind, when you go that deep into your subconscious mind using Neville's SATS method, guess what? Everything becomes easy and you unlock the full power of the law of assumption. Remember, we don't attract what we want. Everybody wants something, right? We attract what we are. You must become whatever it is you desire to attract. And Neville's SATS method helps you do that. Now, the best time to manifesting using the SATS method taught by Neville Goddard is in the morning when you're waking up, but before you're fully awake, and in the evening when you are falling asleep, but before you're completely asleep. As a side note, miracle hypnosis that we teach helps bring you into this beautiful twilight state where you can access the subconscious mind easily. And we have hundreds of audio programs available for you to listen to at miraclehypnosisonline.com. When you use the SATS method as taught by Neville, that I'm going to share with you here in just a moment, when you begin to use it and employ it, you're going to find that eventually you've convinced your subconscious mind that what you desire, you already have. This makes you ripe for manifesting and getting what you want quickly. So, high flyers, when your subconscious mind and your conscious mind believe that what you want, what you desire is already yours, then you can expect absolute insane manifesting. I mean, results in as little as 24 hours. Neville says the following: instead of fighting against the evidence of the senses, you claim yourself to be that which you desire to be. As your attention is placed on this claim, the doors of the senses automatically close against your former master, your old beliefs, that which you were conscious of being. Think about it. Your old fears and doubts closing, the door closing on them, and now just freely flowing with manifestation beyond your wildest dreams using this SATS method. So, what do you have to do? Number one, clearly define what you choose to believe. I choose to believe that I'm in a deep, committed, loving relationship and I'm receiving all the attention I desire. I choose to believe that money is now flowing into my life faster than ever before. I choose to believe that my writing or painting or acting career is expanding faster and with more depth than ever before. I choose to believe that I am stronger and healthier than I've ever been. So it's not so much about choosing what you want, it's about choosing to believe new beliefs. What do I want to feel? So, high flyers, you might ask yourself, if I had this, whatever it is you desire, what would I feel? And that's the feeling you choose to believe that you have. Now, before you go to sleep at night, as you are drifting off to sleep, feel that feeling. See it in your mind. If you're a visualizer, see it in your mind. If you don't visualize so well, just feel that feeling of being in an incredible, loving relationship, or moving into your new home, or being hired by the company that you desire to work for. Feel it. I mean, feel it so strongly that you carry it into your sleep. And in the morning, I'm going to give you a secret. Get a little buzzer on your phone, a real quiet one. Now, Rachel has a little cricket that chirps, and it kind of wakes you up a little bit, but it doesn't fully wake you up. So find a little beep, 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 or a cricket or something. And as you wake up about a half hour or 40 minutes before your normal time to get up, say to yourself, okay, I'm going to drift back to sleep because I have another 40 minutes of rest, but I'm going to feel those feelings. I'm going to see myself living the life that I desire, living the wish fulfilled. And number 3, believe and act. Believe and act as though your new belief, your new feelings were and are your current reality. Were and are your current reality. Act as if this is your new reality. Make room in your closet for someone to move in. Clean up your garage for your new car. Go out looking for your new home. Check the mailbox for unexpected money. But do not, under any circumstances, be surprised when what you desire manifests in 24 hours. Here's another video to help you on your journey. I know you'll like this one.